sous vide.
Welcome to our culinary journey. Today we'll reveal the secret behind a culinary technique that's revolutionizing kitchens around the world, sous vide. Did you know you can cook a perfect steak without using a pan or grill? How is that possible? The term sous vide comes from French and means under vacuum. It's a cooking technique where food is placed in a vacuum-sealed plastic bag and cooked in a water bath at a controlled temperature for an extended period. This method is primarily used in haute cuisine and by home cooking enthusiasts who seek precision and consistency in their dishes. A renowned chef like Thomas Keller from the famous restaurant The French Laundry uses sous vide to cook meats, fish, and vegetables evenly and without loss of juiciness. Douglas Baldwin has written a book about it, and there he says,
Sous vide cooking allows you to achieve unparalleled control over whatever it is you are cooking, whether it's meat, fish, or vegetables.
According to an article in Bon Appetit magazine, using sous vide has allowed chefs worldwide to achieve a new level of perfection in their dishes. With the rise of modern cooking and the search for more precise and healthy methods to prepare food, sous vide has become an essential technique for chefs and home cooks. Knowing this technique can elevate the quality of your culinary preparations. In a world where gastronomy is constantly evolving, understanding and applying sous vide can make the difference between an ordinary dish and an exceptional one. Let's recap what we've learned. Sous vide is a vacuum cooking technique that allows food to be cooked at a controlled temperature, ensuring consistent and high-quality results. It is used both in high-end restaurants and in the home kitchens of cooking enthusiasts. This technique is important for those seeking precision in cooking and wanting to experiment with new ways to prepare their meals. What to do now? 3 suggestions. Try cooking your first sous vide dish at home, even if you have to improvise the equipment. Start with something simple like a steak or vegetables. Research and learn more about other applications of sous vide, such as food pasteurization or flavor infusion. If you're intrigued by this technique, consider investing in sous vide equipment like a vacuum sealer and an immersion circulator. With the right knowledge and tools, sous vide can transform your cooking, taking your culinary skills to a much more advanced level. Dare to explore and experiment. For more information and delicious recipes, visit worldfoodwine.com. That's all for this one. Thanks.